डियर फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम केरला पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन का अगतंत्र असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर के लिए 2022 में जो क्वेश्चन पेपर आया था उसको सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। तो आइए इस वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स कॉज्ड बाय क्षीरविषा अकॉर्डिंग टू वाग्भटा: छर्दी, आदमान मोह, आस्यदौर्गंध्य, पारुष्य, शिरोरुजा, कपसंस्राव, जीवागौरव, शकृद्भेद, रथपीड़ा, मूर्छा, तालुदाह। क्षीरविषा। छर्दी, आदमान मोह ये लक्षण पुष्प विष के कारण निर्माण होते हैं। फेनागम, विड़भेद और गुरुजीवदा ये क्षीरविष के लक्षण है। आस्यदौर्गंध्य, पारुष्य, शिरोरुक, कपसंस्रव ये त्वक्सार निर्यास विष के कारण उत्पन्न होते हैं। और रथपीड़नम, मूर्छा और तालुदाह ये धातु विष के लक्षण है। तो यहाँ पर जीवा गौरव और शकृद्भेद सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। ये क्षीर विष के कारण उत्पन्न होते। द कलर ऑफ पोस्टमार्टम स्टेनिंग इज चॉकलेट ब्राउन इन पॉइजनिंग ड्यू टू कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, कॉपर, साइनाइड्स एंड नाइट्राइड्स। कॉपर कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड पॉइजनिंग में पोस्टमार्टम स्टेनिंग का कलर होता है ब्राइट चेरी रेड कलर, साइनाइड में पिंक कलर और नाइट्राइड्स में रेड ब्राउन और चॉकलेट ब्राउन। सो यहाँ पर चॉकलेट ब्राउन पोस्टमार्टम स्टेनिंग इज ड्यू टू नाइट्राइड्स। डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फेटल पीरियड ऑफ मॉर्फिन इज 2 ग्राम, 1 ग्राम, 200 mg, 50 mg. So fetal dose of opium is 2 gram, morphine is 200 mg, heroin and codeine fetal dose is 50 mg and pethidine 1 gram. So fetal dose of morphine is 200 mg. C is the correct option. Which statement is false regarding Sarpadanshta? Vama adhara danshta is Sitavarna and holds 1 bindu visha. Vamottar danshta, Vama urdhva, is Pita and holds 2 bindu visha. Dakshinottar danshta, दक्षिण ऊर्ध्व इज रक्त एंड होल्ड्स 4 बिंदु विषा। नन ऑफ दिस। सो ये चार्ट देख सकते हैं। वाम अध असीत कृष्ण, असीत और कृष्ण वर्ण का है और होल्ड्स 1 बिंदु विषा। वाम ऊर्ध्व पीत, दक्षिण अध रक्त, दक्षिण ऊर्ध्व शाव। सो यहाँ पर वाम अधरा दंष्टा शीत वर्ण, यहाँ पर शीत हुआ है, असीत है और होल्ड्स 1 बिंदु। वामोत्तर दंष्टा, वाम उत्तर ऊर्ध्व, वाम ऊर्ध्व पीत होल्ड्स 2 बिंदु एंड दक्षिण उत्तर, दक्षिण ऊर्ध्व इज रक्त, ये शाव है, दक्षिण ऊर्ध्व शाव वर्ण का है। सो सी इज रॉन्ग। निसंशयकाराणाम श्रेष्ठ अमंग द फॉलोइंग एज पर चरक संहिता। चरक संहिता अग्र संग्रह में यह बताया है। निसंशयकाराणाम श्रेष्ठ आचार्य, दृष्टकर्मता, शास्त्रस्थयित तर्क, तद्विद्य संभाषा। सो ये देख सकते हैं। आचार्य शास्त्राधिगम हेतु नाम, सो इट इज बेस्ड अमंग सोर्सेस ऑफ लर्निंग। तद्विद्य संभाषा बुद्धिवर्धना नाम, डिस्कशन विद एक्सपर्ट्स इज बेस्ड अमंग द प्रमोटर्स ऑफ नॉलेज। बुद्धिवर्धन के लिए तद्विद्य संभाषा। निसंशय कारणम दृष्टकर्मता, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज इज बेस्ड अमंग दोज रिमूविंग डाउट्स। एंड शास्त्र सहित तर्क साधना नाम, आर्ग्यूमेंट सपोर्टेड बाय स्क्रिप्चर्स इज बेस्ड अमंग द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऑफ सक्सेस। तो यहाँ पर निसंशय कारणम श्रेष्ठ है दृष्टकर्मता। बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फार्माकोलॉजिकल एंटीडोट फॉर एट्रोपिन इज अमील नाइट्रेट, बार्बिचुरेट, फिजोस्टिग्मिन, ससिनिल कोलिन। सो फार्माकोलॉजिकल एंटीडोट फॉर एट्रोपिन इज फिजोस्टिग्मिन। सो यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं। एंटीडोट फॉर साइनाइड पॉइजनिंग इज अमील नाइट्रेट, स्ट्रिक्निन पॉइजनिंग बार्बिचुरेट एंड एट्रोपिन एंटीडोट इज फिजोस्टिग्मिन। सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। विष इज इंडिकेटेड इन द फलश्रुति ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गण मेंशनड इन अष्टांग हृदय। अष्टांग हृदय सूत्रस्थान 15 चैप्टर में गण बताए हैं। हरिद्रादि, सुरसादि, वचादि, शामादि। तो यहाँ पर ये चार्ट में देख सकते हैं। शामादि गण ये विष में बताया गया है, इंडिकेशन में विष है। एलादि गण के इंडिकेशन में है, रौद्रादि के है, पटोलादि के और अंजनादि के। तो यहाँ पर जो पर्याय बताए गए हैं, ऑप्शन है, उसमें श्यामादि गण का ऑप्शन यहाँ पर दिखता है, तो श्यामादि इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन। बाकी के गण भी याद रख सकते हैं, एलादि, रौद्रादि, पटोलादि और अंजनादि, ये भी विषग्न बताए गए हैं। सो डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। PCR is a technique used for DNA isolation, DNA extraction, DNA amplification and DNA sequencing. So polymerase chain reaction PCR is a laboratory technique used to amplify DNA sequences. So DNA amplification is the correct option. C is the correct. The Agada, which is Sarvavishahara, specifically indicated in the context of Amashayagata Vish in Ashtang Sangra. अजित अगध, चंदन तगरादि अगध, यापन अगध और जीवन अगध। सो आमाशय गद विष चिकित्सा में जीवन अगध इज इंडिकेटेड। डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। द फर्स्ट रिकॉर्डेड मेडिको लीगल एटॉप्सी इन इंडिया वॉज परफॉर्म्ड बाय डॉक्टर एलन वेब, डॉक्टर एडवर्ड बकले, डॉक्टर हैनकिन, डॉक्टर सैमुअल ब्राउन। सो फर्स्ट मेडिको लीगल एटॉप्सी was performed by in India in 1693 by Dr. Edward Buckley on Mr. Wheeler, Chief Justice of Chowdhury Madras, who died on 28 August 1693. So Dr. Edward Buckley, B is the correct option. After death, skin slippage occurs in 12 to 24 hours, 24 to 36 hours, 2 to 4 days, 5 to 10 days. So skin slippage occurs in 2 to 4 days. C is the correct option. Pupillary athetosis is a phenomenon seen in poisoning due to aconite, cocaine, cannabis, oleander. Pupillary athetosis, also called as hippus, is associated with aconite poisoning. A is the correct option. And it is a disorder of eye in which pupils dilates and contracts in an irregular spasmodic rhythm. So A is the correct option. It is seen in aconite poisoning. Which of the following statements are associated with identified risk factors for SIDS? Sudden infant death syndrome. First, death usually occurs during sleep. It is correct. Female infants have proportionately higher death rate. It is wrong. Male infants have proportionately higher death rate. Increased incidences is seen in twins. It is also correct. 1 and 3. These options are correct. So B is the correct option. So यहाँ पर रिस्क फैक्टर्स दिए हुए, सेक्स की बात करते हैं तो मेल इन्फेंट्स हैव प्रोपोर्शनेटली हाइयर डेथ रेट, ट्विंस मोर अमॉन्ग ट्विंस, एंड टाइम ऑफ डेथ it occurs either in early morning or sometimes after first feed in the morning. So B is the correct option. The mechanism of action of naloxone in opium poisoning is competitive inhibition of enzymes, enhancing concentration of naturally present agents, competition at the receptor site, and reduced toxic conversion. So mechanism of action is of naloxone in opium poisoning is competition at the receptor site. C is the correct option. So competition inhibition of enzymes, the examples are ethanol in methanol poisoning, ethylene glycol, and fomepizole in methanol and ethylene glycol poisoning. And competition, example of competition at the receptor site is naloxone used in opium poisoning and flumazenil used in benzodiazepine. So the correct option is competition at the receptor site. C is the correct option. The IPC section dealing with signing and issuing false certificate is section 197 IPC. B is the correct option. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Guidelines 2014, a physician should maintain his indoor patients' case sheets for a period of 3 years. Indoor patient IPD case sheets record should be maintained for the period of 3 years. A is the correct option. As per Kriya Kaumudi, number of days required for reserve fangs to grow once the fangs are removed. The correct option is 40 days. B is the correct. The postmortem findings in a 50-year-old man of inward compression fracture of hyoid bone is diagnostic of inward compression, it is a diagnostic of manual strangulation, and outward compression fracture is a diagnostic of hanging. So here C is the correct option, manual strangulation. Vitreous humor is preserved for analysis in poisoning due to alcohol, mercury, arsenic, gelsemium. So vitreous humor is preserved in alcohol poisoning. A is the correct option. The amount of venom neutralized by 1 ml of polyvalent ASV in Russell Viper is 0.6 mg, 0.45 mg, 6 mg, none of this. So यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं 1 ml of polyvalent antivenom neutralizes 0.6 mg of dried cobra venom and dried Russell Viper venom, and 0.45 mg of dried crate venom and dried saw-scaled viper. So correct option is 0.6 mg Russell Viper. A is the correct option. The eyelids of fetus open and pupillary membrane disappears at end of 4th month, end of 5th month, end of 6th month, end of 7th month. So at the 27th week, the fetus can open its eyes and blink. It also has eyelashes. So at the end of 7th month, D is the correct option. Which of the following statements is true with regard to management of paraquat poisoning? Gastric lavage is effective even after 4 hours of ingestion. It is wrong. Hemoperfusion is effective within 12 hours of ingestion. It is correct. Emergency management with oxygen therapy, false. Analgesics are contraindicated, false. So B is the correct option. It is correct sentence. Hemoperfusion is effective within 12 hours of ingestion. The alkaloid present in the oil of prickly poppy which causes abnormal permeability of blood vessels. Abnormal permeability of blood vessels. Argemone mexicana oil. Alkaloid sanguinarine, berberine, protopine, tyramine. So sanguinarine and dihydrosanguinarine. These two alkaloids are present in the oil of prickly poppy and they causes abnormal permeability of blood vessels, and due to that overall body edema will be there. So correct option is sanguinarine. A is the correct option. Generalized anasarca. The condition is called as generalized anasarca. In which of the following conditions penal erasure of name of doctor from the state register of medical practitioner is done? Death of the doctor, name entered by error, serious professional misconduct, all of the above. So penal erasure of name of doctor from state register is done when there is a serious professional misconduct. C is the correct option. So due to serious professional misconduct, the name of doctor is removed from medical register for temporary or permanent period. When the name of doctor is removed from the medical register permanently, then the condition is known as the professional death sentence. So C is the correct option. Which among the following is not true with regard to Consumer Protection Act 2019? Establishment of Central Consumer Protection Authority and Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, it is correct. Incorporated Product Liability Action, correct. Provisions for punishment in form of imprisonment for sales or distribution of products containing adulterants, correct. There is no provisions for alternate dispute resolution, it is wrong. There is a provision. The Act offers an alternative dispute resolution mechanism in addition to 3-tier dispute resolution process for consumers. So D is the correct option. Which among the following statements is false with regard to NDPS Act 1985? The Narcotic Control Bureau NCB was set up under the Act, it is correct. The offences coming under NDPS Acts are non-cognizable, it is wrong. The offences are cognizable. There is a special provisions where the government may allow cultivation of any cannabis plant for industrial purpose, it is correct. None of the above. So here B is the correct option. It is wrong statement. Offences are cognizable. B is the correct option. Which among the following is a conclusive test for the presence of semen in acute sexual assault cases? Teichmann's test, Florence test, Barberio's test, acid phosphatase test. So Teichmann test, it is confirmatory test for blood. Florence test and Barberio's test, these are presumptive chemical tests for evaluation of suspected seminal stain in sexual assault, and acid phosphatase test is a confirmatory test for evaluation of suspected seminal stains. So correct option is D, acid phosphatase test. It is a conclusive or confirmatory test. As per Sushru Samhita, a physician can take money from द्विज, आत्मबंधु, तपस्वी एंड राजा. सो यहाँ पर श्लोक देख सकते हैं. सुश्रु सूत्रस्थान सेकंड चैप्टर में द्विज, गुरु, दरिद्र, मित्र, प्रव्रजितो, प्रव्रजित, तपस्वी, उपनत साधु, अनाथ, अभ्युपगतानाम, आत्मबंधवान वानाम इव. सो आत्मबंधु की तरह, आत्मबंधु के खुद के बंधु की तरह स्वभेषज ही प्रतिकर्तव्य. स्वभेषज ही खुद के खर्चे से, खुद के मेडिसिन से उनकी चिकित्सा करनी है, तो उनसे पैसे नहीं लेने. सो आत्मबंधु, द्विज, तपस्वी करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. राजा के पास से ले सकते हैं. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी. बोन चेंजेस एट 14 years of age, appearance of center of ossification at crest of ilium, appearance of center of ossification at inner end of clavicle, union of epiphyses of upper end of tibia and fibula, union of olencranon of ulna. So at 14 years of age there is appearance of center of ossification at crest of ilium, and 18 to 19 years appearance of center of ossification at inner end of clavicle, and there is union of epiphyses and upper end of tibia and fibula in 18 to 19 years, and union of olencranon to ulna occurs at the age of 16 to 17 years. So यहाँ पर 14 years of age there is a appearance of center of ossification at crest of ilium. So correct option is A. Loss of alignment and overriding of cranial vault seen in intrauterine death is a Spalding sign, hyperflexion of spine, crowding of rib shadow and Roberts sign. So Spalding sign, A is the correct option. So Spalding sign, there is a loss of alignment and overriding of bones of cranial vault occur due to shrinkage of cerebrum after death of fetus. And Roberts sign is gas in great vessels, accumulation of gas in great vessels of fetus, which indicates a fetal death. A is the correct option. A superior is not held responsible for the negligent act of his subordinate if the condition is vicarious responsibility. The act was done in the presence of the superior. So superior, in this condition superior is held responsible. The subordinate was not competent to perform the act done in his supervision. So in this condition also superior is responsible. The subordinate has traversed beyond his instruction. So in this condition superior is not held responsible. If the subordinate was hired from the act from another institution, in this case also superior is not superior is also responsible. So here if the subordinate has traversed beyond his instruction, then superior is not held responsible for the negligent act. C is the correct option. Treatment of Pakvashayagad Visha by Sushru Samhita includes all except Virechan with Nilini Phala and Sarpi, correct. Dushi Visharagad with Dadi, correct. Mahasugandhi Agatpan, correct. Nasya with Kushta, Lamajja and Madhukam Madhu, it is wrong. So Nasya with Kushta, Lamajja, Nalad and Madhu, it is a chikitsa or treatment of Savishanna Baspa, poisoning due to fumes, poisonous fumes. D is the correct option. Factor which hastens the absorption of alcohol. Hastens enhances or increases nicotine, fatty food, carbonated drinks and none of the above. So there are factors which enhances the absorption and some factors they decreases the absorption. So femaleness enhancing factors. Empty stomach, it increases the absorption. Carbonated drinks, it increases the absorption. Fatty foods decreases the absorption. Nicotine, caffeine decreases the absorption. So here carbonated drinks is the correct option. Nicotine and fatty foods, they decreases the absorption. Carbonated drinks hastens the absorption of alcohol. C is the correct option. The section of Indian Evidence Act dealing with proof of facts by oral evidence. Proof of facts by oral evidence, the section 59 IEA. So section 59 IEA states that all facts except the content of documents or electronic records may be proved by oral evidence. So correct option is D. The evisceration method preferred in highly transmissible diseases. Virchow's technique, Rokitansky technique, Latulier and Ghon's technique. So correct option is Rokitansky. So in situ dissection, it is called as in situ dissection. The method is developed by Rokitansky. It is rarely performed and the organs are dissected in situ, in position. Method, and it is a method of choice in patients with highly transmissible diseases. So correct option is Rokitansky technique B, also called as dissection in situ. Paradoxical undressing is seen in chronic starvation, hypothermia, heat prostration and rape. So paradoxical undressing is seen in hypothermia. B is the correct option. So it is a phenomenon characterizing some fetal hypothermia cases, and the victim, despite low environmental temperatures, paradoxically remove their clothes due to sudden feeling of warmth. So B is the correct option, hypothermia. Urinary alkalization can be used to enhance elimination of amphetamine, quinine, salicylates, strychnine. Correct option is salicylate. Alkaline diuresis enhances the excretion of methotrexate, phenobarbital, salicylates. And acid diuresis enhance the excretion of amphetamines, quinine, strychnine, cocaine. So C is the correct option, salicylates. Causing disfiguration of face by vitriolage is punished with 10 years imprisonment as per section IPC 321, IPC 324, IPC 326, IPC 327. So correct option is section IPC 326 IPC. The 4 pillars of medical ethics: beneficence, non-maleficence, autonomy, dignity, autonomy, justice. So 4 pillars are beneficence, doing good; non-maleficence, to do no harm; autonomy, giving the patient the freedom to choose freely where they are able; and justice, ensuring fairness. B is the correct option. Which of the following statements are true with regard to whiplash injury? Whiplash injury, commonly seen in occupant of front seat of vehicle, it is correct. Caused by acute hyperextension of neck that may result in bony and soft tissue injuries, correct. Fracture of cervical vertebra may be associated, correct. So all options are correct. D is the correct answer. As per the MTP Amendment Act 2021, the pregnancy may be terminated by a registered medical practitioner if the length of pregnancy does not exceed 12 weeks, 20 weeks, 24 weeks. None of this. Correct option is B, 20 weeks. Does not exceed 20 weeks. 20 weeks के बाद में 24 weeks तक भी परमिट किया है, लेकिन इन सर्टन कंडीशंस. सो यहाँ पर डिफरेंसेस दे सकते हैं, अमेंडमेंट्स क्या है. सो फर्स्ट, MTP 1971, it only applies to married woman when there is a ground of contraceptive failure. Now it is applicable to unmarried woman also. And gestational age limit is 20 weeks for all indications. Now it is 24 weeks only for rape survivors and beyond 24 weeks for substantial fetal abnormalities. For remaining indications, it is 20 weeks. And the changes regarding opinion required for termination. Previously, only one registered medical practitioner opinion is required till 12 weeks and 2 for 20 weeks. Now till 20 weeks opinion of one registered medical practitioner is required, and for 20 to 24 weeks opinion of 2 registered medical practitioner is required, and after 24 weeks approval from the medical board is required. Then breach of woman's confidentiality, fine up to 1000 previously, and now it is fine and or imprisonment of 1 year. So here correct option is 20 weeks. The specific antidote for muscarine poisoning caused by Amanita muscaria. So muscarinic action, for muscarinic action the antidote is atropine sulfate. A is the correct option. Which of the following statements are true with regard to heat hematoma? Clot is chocolate or pink colored and has a honeycomb appearance. Correct. May be seen bilaterally as it cross suture lines. Wrong. Clot is rubbery in consistency with discoid shape. So first and second are true. May be seen bilaterally as it cross suture lines. So it is also correct. So first option and second option, they are correct. The drug employed in criminal abortion which act as ecbolic: Savin, borax, papaya and ergometrin. So ergometrin acts as ecbolic which increases the uterine contraction, and other Savin and borax, these are the examples of immunococs. So ecbolics, the agents increases uterine contractions like ergot preparations, ergometrin, synthetic estrogens, pituitary extract, strychnine, quinine, and immunococs are the agent or drugs which initiate or increase menstrual flow. Examples are estrogen, Savin, borax and sanguinarine. So here correct option is ergometrin. D is the correct option. The section of IPC dealing with bestiality. So bestiality comes under unnatural sexual offences. Section 377 applies. D is the correct option. So 374 for unlawful compulsory labor. 75 defines rape. 76 punishment for rape or sexual assault, and 77 it is for unnatural sexual offences. Bestiality, it is sexual relations or intercourse with lower animals. It comes under unnatural sexual offence. So D is the correct option. Section 377 IPC. The उपक्रम indicated in Shiroruja, Manyastambha, Alasya. Pratisarana, Prativisha, Nasya or Lepa. So Nasya is the correct option. C is the correct option. Shiroruk, Gaurava, आलस्य हनुस्तंभ गलग्रहे शिरो विरेचेत क्षिप्रम मन्यास्तंभेच दारुणे. So शिरो विरेचन नश्य is the correct option. The sexual deviation associated with use of obscene language, usually through telephonic calls: algolagnia, caprolagnia, scatologia, erotophonophilia. So use of obscene language through telephonic calls. Correct option is scatologia. Scatologia. So algolagnia, it is a condition where there is a desire for sexual gratification through inflicting pain on oneself or others, also called as sadomasochism. Caprolagnia, sexual arousal that is produced by thought or sight of feces. Scatologia, deviant sexual practice in which sexual pleasure is obtained through compulsive use of obscene language. And erotophonophilia, sexual disorder where individual is sexually aroused by the idea of murdering someone during sexual act. So correct option is scatologia. C. A doctor treating case of homicidal poisoning is bound to inform police or magistrate as per section 39 CRPC. 39 CRPC. A is the correct option. The tissue to be preserved for toxicological analysis if organs are putrefied. So if the organs are putrefied, then muscles are preserved, thigh muscles. C is the correct option. The most appropriate feature that differentiates herpes zoster from Luthabisha: grouped vesicles on red base, pain preceding eruptions, common site of involvement is thoracic region, and unilateral distribution that does not cross the midline. So correct option is unilateral distribution that does not cross the midline is feature differentiate herpes zoster from Lutavish. D is the correct option. Which among the following, if done without consent, is an exception to principle of confidentiality, professional secrecy? Displaying patient's identity while publishing a research work, it is not exception. Volunteering information while giving evidence in court, it is also not an exception. Reporting of gunshot wound of his patient to police, yes, it is a criminal act, so in that case we have to inform police, so it is exception to principle of confidentiality. And discussing the scope of cancer treatment of a teacher with a principal, so C is the correct option. Reporting a gunshot wound of his patient to police, it is an exception to principle of confidentiality. The term of chairperson of NCISM, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, till he attains 65 years of age. So term of chairperson is 4 years, B. So it is given in NCISM Act. The chairperson and members other than ex officio members and members appointed under clause B and subsection 4 of section 4 shall hold office for a term not exceeding 4 years and shall not be eligible for any extension and reappointment. So B is the correct option. Which among the following is not a सविश दंष्टा as per क्रिया कौमुदी? कराली, धूम्र, काली और खंडित. So खंडित is correct option. खंडित is not a सविश दंष्टा. D is the correct option. The toxin listed as category B bioterrorism agent, ricin. B is the correct option. So castor seed, it contains ricin, it causes a hemolysis and it is a super toxic, even superior to cobra venom, and hence called as terrorist weapon, and it is listed as a category B bioterrorism agent by CDC and P. So B is the correct option, ricin. The first country where the passive euthanasia was legalized, Netherlands. So Netherlands was the first country to legalize passive voluntary euthanasia and assisted suicide in 2002. C is the correct option. The hypersensitivity to bite of mosquito, bedbugs or pets manifesting as a pruritic papules, often with a central punctum or vesicular lesions. Papular urticaria is the correct option. Papular urticaria. A is the correct option. The specific kidney injury caused by rifampicin due to intermittent treatment, glomerulonephritis, interstitial nephritis, crystal and rhabdomyolysis. So interstitial nephritis caused by rifampicin due to intermittent treatment. So rifampicin can cause reversible renal failure, probably by an immunological mechanism that mainly causes an interstitial nephritis, especially during intermittent treatment. So B is the correct option. The gold standard for broad spectrum drug screening, thin layer liquid chromatography, gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, high performance liquid chromatography, UV spectroscopy. So gold standard for broad spectrum drug screening is GCMS, gas chromatography, mass spectrometry. B is the correct option. So most sophisticated drug testing approach is gas chromatography coupled with mass spectrometry, which is regarded as a gold standard and it is used as a confirmatory test. B is the correct option. The action of botulinum toxin is on CNS, adrenergic fibers of autonomic nervous system, noradrenergic fibers of autonomic nervous system, cholinergic fibers of autonomic nervous system. D is the correct option. Action of botulinum toxin is on cholinergic fibers of autonomic nervous system. D is the correct option. It is also called as miracle poison. Botulinum toxin is also called as miracle poison. It is an important point. One of the most poisonous biological substance known, and its action is selective, confined to the cholinergic fibers of autonomic nervous system. Inflammation of transverse colon is a post-mortem feature of poisoning by arsenic, mercury, zinc, copper. So mercury is the correct option. Inflammation of transverse colon. Delirium of horrors and tactile hallucination are seen in delirium tremens, depression, mania, temporal lobe epilepsy. So delirium of horrors and tactile hallucination, it is seen in delirium tremens. A is the correct option. Substance which used to be known as a poisoner's poison is thallium. Thallium is also called as poisoner's poison. Since it is colorless, odorless and tasteless, slow acting, painful and wide ranging symptoms are often suggestive of host of other illnesses and conditions, so widely used by murderers. So also called as poisoner's poison. Thallium is the correct option. Dimercaprol is not effective in poisoning by mercury chloride, mercuric sulfide, methyl mercury, none of the above. So the dimercaprol is chelating agents, and chelating agents are not effective in organic type of mercurial salts. So here organic type of mercurial salt is methyl mercury. C is the correct option. So for organic mercurials such as phenyl and methoxymethyl mercury, ether and methyl mercury, chelacin is not very effective. C is the correct option. The most characteristic identifying feature of common crate among the following: head is covered with large shield. It is seen in cobra. Third supraradial shield touches eyes and nostrils, seen in cobra. Large hexagonal scales in the central row on the dorsal aspect. It is characteristic feature of common crate. C is the correct option. In India, criminal responsibility of an insane person based on Magnoton's rule is considered under Section 83 IPC, Section 84, Section 85, Section 86. So it is considered under Section 84 IPC. B is the correct option. अग्र औषधि फॉर गर, मुर्वादी चूर्ण, स्वर्ण, शुकतरु, मक्षिका. सो गरेशु हेम, गरेशु हेम अष्टांग संग्रह में दिया हुआ है अग्र संग्रह में. सो स्वर्ण, बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द एंशियंट वर्क इन विच आशु मृतक परीक्षा वॉज डिटेल्ड, आशु मृतक परीक्षा का वर्णन दिया हुआ है कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र. ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ट्रूथ सीरम used in narcoanalysis, sodium pentothal, atropine sulfate, phenobarbital, methadone. So truth serum is sodium pentothal. A is the correct option. Sodium amytal or thiopentone sodium, known as truth drug or truth serum. A is the correct option. The most effective single drug as in Darvikar Visha as per Kriya Komadi, Chandan, Shunti, Shirish, Ashwagandha. So most effective single drug in Darvikar Visha is Ashwagandha. D is the correct option. The treatment for manifestations caused by Koradusha as per Bhagavad, Vamana followed by Kshira and Gruta, Vamana followed by Kshira and Guda, Vaman followed by Kushmanda and Gruta, Vaman followed by Kushmanda and Guda. So, Tatrapi Vamanam Hitam, Kushmandakam cha Sagudam Bahushas Tatra Bhakshet. So, Vaman followed by Kushmanda and Guda. D is the correct option. The following are the defenses against negligence except error of judgment, res judicata, misadventure, doctrine of common knowledge. So defenses against negligence are informed consent for the act, patient guilty of contributory negligence, therapeutic misadventure, medical maloccurrence, error of judgment, res judicata, and 2 years of limitation. So here error of judgment, res judicata, misadventure, these are the defenses used against negligence. Doctrine of common knowledge is exception. D is the correct option. Which among the following is not an upadrav of dushi visha? Hikka, hridrog, shiroruja, vepatu. So ज्वर दाहे च हिक्कायाम आना है शुक्र संशय शोपे अतिसारे मूर्छायाम हृद्रोगे जठरेपि च उन्मादे वेपतो च ये च अन्येषु उपद्रवा. सो हिक्का, हृद्रोग, वेपतो ये दूसरी विष के उपद्रव है. शिरोरुजा इसमें नहीं दिया है. सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द अगद इंडिकेटेड फॉर वृश्चिक विषा मेंशन इन अष्टांग हृदय एंड नॉट इन अष्टांग संग्रह. प्राय अष्टांग संग्रह में जो भी बताया वो अष्टांग हृदय में दिया हुआ है, लेकिन कौन सा अगद है जो अष्टांग हृदय में है लेकिन अष्टांग संग्रह में नहीं है? अर्क दुग्धादि अगद, शीरीष पुष्पादि बीजादि अगद, हिंगवादि गुलिका, पारावशकृतद्यागत. So correct option is Sirich Pushpadyagata. It is mentioned in Ashtanga Hriday, not in Ashtanga Sangraha. B is the correct option. The formulation mentioned in Sushru Samhita for purifying दूषित भूमि, धावाश्वकरणादि योग, लाक्षा हरिद्रादि योग, तार सुरेंद्र गोपादि योग एंड विडंगादि योग. सो विडंगादि योग से वहाँ पर प्रोक्षण करना है जिसे भूमि. तत्राप्यनंतं स सर्वगंधे पृष्ट्वा सुराभिर विनियोज्य मार्गम सिंचेत पयोभी सुमृदन वितस्तम विडंग पाटा कड़बीर जलवा. सो विडंग पाटा कड़बी से सिद्ध जल से सेचन करना है, उससे दूषित भूमि, विश्व दूषित भूमि का शोधन होता है. डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द टेस्ट यूजिंग कोबाल्ट 2 फॉर डिटेक्शन ऑफ कोकेन इज फॉरेस्ट टेस्ट, फुजीवारा टेस्ट, स्कॉट टेस्ट एंड ट्राइंडर्स टेस्ट. सो स्कॉट टेस्ट इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी. Cobalt, it is also called as cobalt thiocyanate test, and it is a proven test for screening of presence of cocaine. C is the correct option. Panasa and milk are viruddha by virtue of guna samyata, guna samata, guna vishamata, virya vaishamyata, virya vaishamya, vipaka vaishamya. पनस एंड मिल्क. सो ये एग्जाम्पल दिए हुए क्षीर और कुलत्थ ये गुण वैषम्य का एग्जाम्पल है. क्षीर प्लस प्रणस ये गुण साम्य का एग्जाम्पल है. और क्षीर और मत्स्य ये एक देश साम्य एक देश वैषम्य, पार्सली सिमिलर एंड पार्टली अपोजिट. सो यहाँ पर पनस एंड मिल्क एग्जाम्पल ऑफ गुण साम्य, गुण समता. ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द टर्म augmented adverse drug reaction refers to dose related drug reaction, unpredictable drug reaction, time related drug reaction and drug reaction related to withdrawal. Augmented adverse drug reaction, adverse drug reaction के 6 types हैं. Augmented, it is also called as dose related drug reaction. Bizarre, non dose related. Chronic, it is dose related and time related. Delayed, it is time related. And end of use, withdrawal. And failure, it is failure of therapy. So augmented adverse drug reaction, it is dose related. A is the correct option. The negligence where the burden of proving the guilt does not lie with patient is res ipsa loquitur. D is the correct option. Bleeding from orifices is a feature of अवलेखनगत विष, उत्साधनगत विष, पादुकागत विष, अभ्यंगगत विष. सो ब्लीडिंग फ्रॉम ओरिफाइसेस खेब्येच रुधिरागम विषजुष्टे अवलेखने. केशशाता शिरोदुःखम खेब्येच रुधिरागम ग्रंथि जन्मोत्तमांगेषु विषजुष्टे अवलेखने. विषजुष्ट अवलेखन. ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, विषजुष्ट अवलेखन. The branch of pharmacology that studies gene and protein activity with a particular cell or tissue in response to exposure to toxic substances. It is a toxicogenomics. C is the correct option. ग्रीवास्तंभ, पीत विन्मूत्र नेत्रता are the clinical features of श्रृंगक, कालकूट, मुस्तक और वसनाभ. So ग्रीवास्तंभ, पीत विन्मूत्र नेत्रता, these are the signs and symptoms of वसनाभ. सो कालकूट के स्पर्शाज्ञानम, वेपतुस्तंभ, सर्षप, वातवैगुण्य, अनाह ग्रंथि जन्म, पालक ग्रीवा दौर्बल्य वाक्संग, कर्दम प्रसयक विडभेद नेत्रपित्तता, वैराटक अंगदुःख शिरोरोग, मुस्तक गात्रस्तंभ वेपतु, श्रृंगिविष, अंगसाद दाह उदरवृद्धि. सो ये सभी कंदविष के लक्षण दिए हुए. सो डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ कोशातक पेय मेंशनड इन सुश्रुत संहिता बट नॉट बाय वाग्भट. तगरम, कुष्टम, हरेनु और बृहति. सो सुश्रुत संहिता और वाग्भट में जो कोशातक पेय है तो यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं. तो उसमें बाकी सभी इंग्रेडिएंट समान है. हरेनु का समावेश सुश्रुत संहिता में बताए और बृहति का अष्टांग संग्रह में. सो इंग्रेडिएंट मेंशनड इन सुश्रुत संहिता नॉट बाय वाग्भट इज हरेनु. सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द मीडियम फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ जीवरक्ष गुलिका. जीवरक्ष गुलिका, द मीडियम इज अर्क क्षीरम. सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. The mechanism of action of तीक्ष्ण गुण as per चरक संहिता अश्रुक प्रकोप, दुरूपक्रम, मर्मग्न और प्राणग्न. तो मर्मग्न इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. चरक संहिता के अनुसार तीक्ष्ण गुण मर्मग्न है सुश्रुत संहिता के अनुसार मति मोहित मर्मबंधान छिन्नति एंड पित्त रक्त प्रकोप अष्टांग संग्रह. So as per चरक संहिता it is मर्मग्न. C is the correct option. Vineyard sprayer's lung disease occurs due to chronic exposure to hydrogen sulfide gas, copper sulfate spray, mercury vapor, arsen gas. So copper sulfate spray. B is the correct option. Vineyard sprayer lung is an occupational disease seen in Portuguese vineyard workers due to chronic exposure to Bordeaux solution. It is 1 to 2% copper sulfate solution. See copper sulfate spray. B is the correct option. As per Sushruta Samhita, when Sarpavisha vitiates Asti, Prana and Agni, the Vega Lakshanas produced are अथ्यर्थम कृष्णता शोपग्रंथि गात्रगौरवम अतिसार मूर्छा हृत्पीड़ा पर्वभेद हिक्का दाह शिरोगौरव स्वेद चक्षुग्रहण. सो पंचमे अस्थिनि प्रविश्य प्राणाग्नि दूषयति. अस्थिनि अनुप्रविशति पंचमे प्राणाग्निं च दूषयति. पर्वभेदो हिक्का दाह च जाए. सो पर्वभेद हिक्का दाह प्राण और अग्नि दूषित पंचम वेग में दिखाई देते. C is the correct option. Acrodynia is a principal syndrome of chronic exposure to lead, iodine, mercury and manganese. Acrodynia is also called as pink disease. It is due to chronic exposure to mercury. C is the correct option. So acrodynia or pink disease is mostly seen in children due to idiosyncratic hypersensitivity reaction to repeated ingestion or contact with mercury, inorganic mercury. C is the correct option. The treatment specified in 6th Vega of Mandali Visha, Vaman followed by Yavagopana, Kakolyadi, Madhuragada, Avapida, Tikshna Anjanam. So 6th Vega, Kakolyadi, Hita, Shaste, Pecha, Madhuragada. Kakolyadi and Madhuragada. B is the correct option as per Sushruta Samhita. The Matra of Garudanjanam as per Vishwavaidya Jyotsnika is Tila Matra. B is the correct option. Garudanjan Matra is Tila Matra. A chronic alcoholic presents with features of short-term memory impairment and confabulations. The condition is called as Korsakoff syndrome. C is the correct option. The Dravadravya used in the preparation of Nabi Nirvishadi Gulika. Tambul Swaras, Tulasi Swaras, Jambira Rasa, Brangaraja Swaras. So Nabi Nirvishadi Gulika के लिए द्रवद्रव्य यूज करते जंबीर रस. C is the correct option. The poisoning where hemodialysis is not useful. Methanol, salicylates, ethylene glycol, kerosene. So kerosene dialysis is not useful in kerosene, organophosphorus, benzodiazepine, amphetamine, copper sulfate, digitalis, digoxin. So here it is not useful in kerosene poisoning. D is the correct option. In which Vega of Achyotana and Anjan are administered as per Charak Samhita? 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. अच्योतन और अंजन ये बताएं 5th वेग में काकांड श्री स्वरस से अच्योतन अंजन और नश्च करना है एज पर चरक संहिता. सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द मंडली विषा उपद्रव फॉर विच तैल विथ मालती स्वरस इज इंडिकेटेड ओरली. इपिस्टैक्सिस, हेमेटेमेसिस, ब्लीडिंग थ्रू हेयर फॉलिकल्स, हिमेचुरिया. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज इपिस्टैक्सिस. स्टीवन उर्दू जत्रुगत रक्तस्राव स्टीवन में ये यूज करते हैं. ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. दंशभेद एज पर चरक संहिता इंक्लूड्स ऑल द फॉलोइंग एक्सेप्ट वृत्त, सर्पित, रदित, पीड़ितम. सो गाढ़ संपादित, दुवृत्त, पीड़ित, लंबितार्पितम, सर्पितम, भृषाबादम, दंशा ये च अन्यते भृषा. सो सर्पित है, पीड़ित का समावेश है, वृत्त है, रदितम इसमें नहीं है. सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द रिस्पॉन्स शोड बाय कैट्स व्हेन फेड विथ पॉइजनस फूड. म्रियंते, उद्वेगम याति, ग्लानि, शक्रुन्मुंचति. मार्जार, कैट्स मार्जार. सो उद्वेगम याति मार्जार. बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. शक्रुन्मुंचति वानर, मक्षिका म्रियंते और ग्लानिर जीवन जीव से जायते. सो हियर उद्वेगम याति by Marjar, cats. B is the correct option. Rights and privileges of a registered medical practitioner includes the following except right to choose his patient. It is correct. Right to supply dangerous drugs to his patient. Correct. Right to issue medico-legal reports. Correct. Right to be exempted from giving evidence in a court of law. It is wrong. D. The administration of Visha as Prativisha is strictly contraindicated in Luta Visha, Vrachik Visha, Raktasthita Visha, Majjagata Visha. So correct option is Raktasthita Visha. Visha, Prativisha is strictly contraindicated indicated when Visha is located in blood. Naivatu Asrukaste. C is the correct option. The antidote for Bibitaki as per Kriya Kaumudi, Takram with Sita, fried ajmoda with Gruta and Sita, Shuddha Bhallatak with honey. Antidote for Bibitaki as per Kriya Kaumudi, Shuddha Bhallatak with honey. Correct option is D. So thank you very much friends. I hope so this video will be helpful for you. We will meet in the next video. Thank you once again.